Okay, so waiting for the Saudi Arabia Boeing 777. It's just coming right now. There it is. There it is, the Boeing 777-300er of Saudi Arabian Airlines. I know the video is not clear because it's nighttime, but still, right? Because I'm not getting any sleep, so I thought, like, what about I give a night plane spotting from my balcony? Like, it went pretty well. So I think a few minutes ago I just took a clip of the Malaysian Airlines A330 taking off, and yeah, now the Saudi Arabia 777. Yeah, that's how I spend my time, like if I don't get any sleep. So I think it was a interesting video this time. So yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a good sleep. I hope I also get a sleep. I feel drowsy.